I am Madheswaran, Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. My topic by Artificial Intelligence in Digital Marketing. What is the artificial intelligence? AI. Reference to the intelligence showcased by machines. Artificial intelligence empowers machines to think about, respond to, and perform tasks like humans. Moreover, it also helps machines attain from experience and simply adjust to new information or output. Artificial intelligence is a computer science technique to understand and information human conversation and human behavior. It has creative new intelligence machines that think, respond, and perform tasks like humans based on the date feed. It is indicated by studies that artificial intelligence is essential in future digital products, notably in the segmental of digital marketing. No doubt artificial intelligence is reshaping the future of digital marketing. First, the analysis of computer system that attempt to simulate and apply human intelligence. A machine's capacity to mimic intelligent human behavior. With continuous advancement, artificial intelligence definitely has a vital role to play in digital marketing. Future of artificial intelligence will be wow factor for digital marketing. There are many subdomains that come under the area of artificial intelligence. Major subfields of AI now include machine learning, neural networks, evol- evolutionary computation, vision, robotics, expert systems, speech processing, natural language processing, and planning. We will not talk in detail about the sub areas, but there is a field will be discussed is somewhat details is data science. It will be increasingly used to bettering the digital marketing strategies, private useful customer insight for the sake of companies in the future. Types of AI: reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, self awareness. Artificial intelligence uses predictive analysis to enhance the decision marketing process. Relation between artificial intelligence and digital marketing. Today, a number of successful successful brands deployed in their marketing endeavors like Spotify, Amazon. Amazon makes use of AI, displaying only relevant product to its shoppers. Factors such as previous searches, V1 purchases are taken in consideration for the same. This is reduces the chances of a shopper going for an initial purchase or into a repeat customer. Artificial intelligence for digital marketing has on now become a relative and it brings along a complete range of options and benefits. Impact of artificial intelligence in digital marketing. Generating content. Yes, machines can be now creation content from searches based on data feed to them. This can be very helpful in saving time and resources. AI can write reports and news based on data on information. Automation method journalism is now used to many leading news gain like BBC News, the New York Times, Washington Post, and more. Also, Facebook uses AI to remove fake news, product recommendation, and content correction. Not just creating content but helping recommending product and service based on the user search, interest, and behavior. Artificial intelligence can rightful understand the behavior of the targeted audience and what is more better than finding the right product or services that you are already looking at. Use of AI chatbots. VR behavior automated response are used by businesses to solve customer queries and also used in data collections, keeping the audience updated about product and services. There can be services silenced 24 by 7 and retire the data for future use. Also, the application of chatbots or again the amalgamation of chatbots with artificial intelligence and machine is the new game changer. Web design. Without the help of programmer of designer, you can still have your website through the use of Grid that use artificial intelligence to the work of based on the information provided like images, text, call to action, ad. They can be the website look professional in much less time and at affordable prices. Predictive analysis. Artificial intelligence use data to make probable future projections. Predictive analysis is just the use of data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning. Digital advertising. Digital advertising is widely used artificial intelligence to ensure maximum success. It is being used across platforms like Facebook, Google, Instagram to provide the best positive experience. Analyzes user information like gender, age, interest, and the aspect to show them relevant areas. Online searches. The way of searching content has changed and marketers will need creating and change content accordingly. New information include voice search and Google algorithm and other AI advances. Be the future of artificial intelligence in digital marketing is interesting. AI search engine optimization, speak recognition, content marketing. Google's rank brain algorithm use of all power to understand queries, respond like a human. Future of artificial intelligence in digital marketing. It's 2021 and the world has come a long way in terms of technology. Today, AI, artificial intelligence, impact numerous aspects of life in the form of smart devices, chatbots, and even self-driving cars. All of these are designed to understand consumer needs and performances and deliver customized customer experience. How AI is changing the future of digital marketing 2022. What is AI? AI is an engineering science that stands of artificial intelligence. Thus name itself represents the emerging marketing and the digital revolution that is has already throughout to the world. It has immense potential to influence the global economy. Here, what will cover? Artificial intelligence is changing the future of digital marketing. Artificial intelligence is shaping digital marketing. AI tools that will change the future of marketing, etc. Or some AI tools what you should check our help with digital marketing. Acquisio tuning, PPC big and budget management software, framework, keywords analysis, blog builder and AI content generator, Cortex optimizes social media content, Crayon tracking and analysis, Drift chatbox and customer en- engagement AI, HubSpot inbound lead generation CRM, Google Cloud AI, data labeling, prediction, data science and machine learning platform, Converska, a assistance to engage customers in arithmetic conversation. Pattern 89, predictive marketing AI, Facebook, Instagram and Google Ads, atomic research, AI content editing tools. Conclusion: AI become a valuable tool to marketers. It is a changed the way marketing is done and truly helped in boosting the entire process. However, it still has a long way to go in terms of become more efficient of convention. If you happen to have more insights regarding this, please drop them in the comment section. We hope you enjoyed the blog and would love to hear from you. AECF no more accessible to businesses, marketing it a valuable tool for digital marketers. It is irrefutable that a larger influence the choices of your customers, helping to provide relevant recommendations and timely customer service. Looking at the ways that you can make use of it will better enable you to grow your brand and meet the expectations of your customers. Therefore, artificial intelligence can benefits of digital marketing strategy. AI is not here to replace the jobs of marketers of advertisers. It's here to up their true strategic game and creative pros- potential for these advertisers and marketers most update to the current AI trend. Thank you.